Today, we've traded our car for the high-speed train to hop over to Xuzhou to explore the stunning city and get a taste of its mouth-watering cuisine.
We are in Suzhou and they are famous for their chicken, their digo chicken. And the two restaurants we've been to that are the most popular have massive queues and they close in 45 minutes. So we've come to this one just around the corner. It's also supposed to be good, so there's two tables in front of us and we'll see if we can get in before they close.
Xuzhou ground pot chicken, or digoji, is a traditional Xuzhou dish known for its unique cooking method where a clay pot is used to stew chicken with vegetables and pancakes are cooked on the pot's side.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, starving.
This dish features tender chicken with a savoury broth, originating from fishermen's improvised cooking and represents Xuzhou's culinary culture with every bite.
Really good. Really good.
You happy?
Yeah.
So we just finished our lunch and it was incredible and there was so much food. We didn't finish it all. How much did it cost me?
122 kwai.
Yeah, so like 14 GBP, £14. And we had so much food. We did have some waste food, but so yummy. A little bit spicy, but absolutely delicious. Highly recommend this place. It was indoors, it looked clean. There was like 5-minute wait time. Go here instead of the very, very popular one. I don't regret it at all.
After lunch, we headed towards our hotel.
Hello, we've just arrived at our hotel and it's a Citadines, which are usually more apartment style hotels, and this was 320 RMB for the night, so very affordable. That's around £40, less than £40, and yeah, it seems nice enough. Let me give you a little tour. Let's go. Start with the bed. It's quite a small room, but very nice. We have a microwave, so these are good for longer term traveling. It reminds me a bit like a university dorm. So we've got a sink, fridge, closet. Oh, cute. The bathroom is very tiny, but good enough. Hello. And a big mirror. Yeah.
I could be a lover, I could be a friend, I could be the one to walk beside you to the end. You know count for something, the first one that you found. I could be your shoulder till another comes around.
We are on the scooter and it's only a one-person scooter. Oh my goodness, like both perched right on the edge.
With us struggling to stay seated, Mew said it was time for me to learn how to ride a scooter.
Are you terrified?
Yeah.
I can tell. Go.
For reference, I have terrible balance and coordination.
Go. Come on. 可以。
Once the sun set, we headed out to the famous food streets to taste some local favourites.
We just got a red date cake, a chocolate one. I have no idea what it tastes like, but it's quite popular, so let's try. This is what it looks like. It's weird, it is like a chocolate muffin, but also a bit like a carrot cake. So we are outside a skewer restaurant, and Xuzhou is very famous for their skewers. So I'm excited to try it and see how it tastes. This one is quite popular, so we had to wait 30 tables. It's been more than an hour now waiting for it. But I'm excited to see how these skewers compare to the ones we had in Xinjiang and also the ones we get in Shanghai.
After walking around the bustling night markets, we headed to a cocktail bar.
We have come to a morning food market. It's very busy, very noisy, and it smells like loads of different foods. So we do have plans for lunch, so we're probably not going to eat anything this morning, but still nice to come and have a look and see what they offer.
The morning street markets were full of locals and offered a glimpse into everyday lives of the people who call Xuzhou home.
This city is known for its dog meat, which makes me really sad because there's just like dog heads that you can buy to eat. Very sad. 吗？
After a quick brunch, we headed to the ancient streets in the old town of Xuzhou. We had visited this area the night before but wanted to see it in daylight too. Whilst this city temple was beautiful, Xuzhou is home to the most breathtaking temple I've ever seen.
We are at Baolian Temple, and it's so big and beautiful, and actually probably one of the biggest temples I've seen here in China, and it's very beautiful. So let's go have a look.
Inside the biggest temple was a gigantic gold statue which absolutely blew my mind. Here you can also find delicious noodles. Would you like to visit Xuzhou? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.